Bicep curl combo. You may do this seated, on your knees, or standing. You'll start with a nice straight spine, palms down. This is the hardest of the 3 bicep exercises. It's wide to the side, not straight to the front. Keep your elbow to shoulder in place without letting the head of the shoulder roll in. The second exercise is a hammer curl, thumbs up. Make sure again that the spine stays still without any upper body movement, and sit or stand tall. The last exercise is a palm up curl. This is the easiest of the 3 bicep movements. Again, let the arm come all the way down and all the way up for full range of motion. You may alternate each 3 of the exercises or perform separately each exercise in rep patterns. Great job, you can feel that in your arms.